Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Ukra English School. This is your class 5th NCERT book looking around, and we are learning the second chapter, A Snake's Charm Story. This is the part 3. Now, we will read the chapter. First of all, what can we do? Aranath, your father used to travel with me ever since he was a young child. He learned to play the bean without being taught. These days it is difficult. Now the government has made a law that no one can catch the wild animals and keep them. Some people kill the animals and sell their skins at high prices. So they made a law against this. Now with this law, how we will how will we earn our livelihood? We people have never killed snakes and sold their skin. People say that we keep the snakes in bad conditions. If we wanted, we too could have earned a lot of money by killing snakes, but we would never do that. Snakes are our treasure that we pass on from one generation to another. We even gift snakes to our daughters when they got married. In our Kalbilia dance, we also have movements similar to the dance of the snakes. Aranath, you will have to make a different life for yourself. Now I will read the explanation. A snake charmer story. This is the chapter number 2. You know that in the second part of the chapter, I will read from here. In the second part of the chapter, we have learned about the poisonous snake. When any poisonous snake bites a man, its bite directly attacks on the nervous system of a man and he can die on the spot. His grandfather taught him how to remove the poisonous teeth of a snake that is called fangs. His father told him that his father used to travel with him ever since he was a young child. That is why he has learned to play the bean without being taught. But now the government has made a law that no one can catch the wild animals and keep them because some people kill the animals and sell their skin at high prices. So the government has made the law against it. But his grandfather says that neither they killed any snakes nor sold their skin. They could also do that, but they never did. Snakes are the treasure for them, even they gift snakes to their daughters when they got married. He is telling when they do Kalberia dance, they also have movements similar to the snake, dance of a snake. Dadaji telling to Aranath that he is to make different life for himself. His grandfather Roshanath ji given him some advice for earning his livelihood that we will discuss in part 4. Take care.